back to the channel. I have here with me a lot of trash. So I collected all of my trash, aka my empties, so that I can do this video for you guys. I've been collecting them for about the past 6 months, I guess. Just thought I would share with you guys all the things that I've used up and whether or not I would be repurchasing them. So let's get started. The first one is my Nivea Rose and Argan Oil-in-lotion. This is a body lotion with a pump like this. I love this body lotion because it is very lightweight. It actually hydrates my skin really well. It's affordable because it's from the drugstore, but at the same time it is not oily. It's very fast absorbing and I love it. I think it's a really good product that I would continue to repurchase and use, and especially because it comes with a pump, it just makes things so much easier. Another big bottle over here is my SKII Facial Treatment Essence. I finished this one about 3 months ago. I'm already like more than halfway through my new bottle. You guys should know that I am a huge fan of SKII Facial Treatment Essence. I highly recommend it and I am still repurchasing it and I am still using it. This is a 230 ml. It took me about almost close to a year to finish this amount, so it's quite worth the money. I also have here with me my mascara remover one shot clean from Etude House. This is basically like a 2-part, like one oil, one base kind of makeup remover. I think it removes my makeup very well, especially waterproof makeup, but I feel that it's a little bit too oily. Honestly, have used like many better like makeup removers out there, so I wouldn't be repurchasing this. So this is the Philosophy Miracle Worker Miraculous Anti-Aging Retinoid Eye Repair. If you guys watch my favorites videos, you would have seen this in there. I'm very sad because I ran out of it already. It took me a really long time to finish using this and I highly recommend it. I honestly still haven't really found an eye cream that is as good as this. It just helps to hydrate my skin, it helps to reduce the fine lines, and with this I see like a lot of results when it comes to fine lines and like depuffing my eyes the next morning. I highly recommend this. If you're looking for an eye cream, look for this one. But I've also heard from many of my friends and even Matt, who tried this before, he says that it stings his eyes. So it works really well for me, but I know it doesn't work well for some people. So do try it out first before you repurchase it. I have here with me my favorite fresh mask. This is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting Face Mask. So you guys can see it's like almost gone, just about one more use to go. But I thought I would include this in the video anyway because by the time you're watching this, it's probably gone already. So this is my favorite face mask from Fresh. Fresh makes amazing tub mask, like the Vitamin Nectar, like the black tea instant perfecting one, like the rose face mask, like the Umbrian clay. I honestly just like, I'm such a huge fan of all of them and I've done many videos talking about them before, so if you're interested you can check them out. But this is my favorite one because it gives me that beautiful glow and you wash it off after 5 minutes, which means your skin doesn't feel too heavy or like, you know, your makeup doesn't run and so on. It really truly repairs your skin. Highly recommend this. The next one is this one from Nutox. This is the Nutox Advanced Serum Concentrate. I finished this and I really like it. It is a really good drugstore serum, especially for anti-aging. It is not expensive at all. If I'm not wrong, it's like less than 50 bucks. And it comes in a glass bottle with a dropper, which I find really good because this dropper is exceptionally long, so you get to reach to the end of the bottle and really scrape through the last bits of it. It helps with brightening, it helps with fine lines. It's really good and effective. The only downside is that it has a really strong scent, which honestly is what is stopping me from repurchasing it because I don't really like my products to be so heavily scented. It has not given me like many problems lah. To be honest, it didn't break me out, it didn't like cause my eczema to flare up. I just don't really like the scent to be so strong. So if you guys don't mind the scent and if you're looking for a really good drugstore alternative to your anti-aging skincare, you can look for Nutox. They are really good and affordable. Over here, I also have my Skin Inc Daily Dose. I run through these so quickly, like once every 3 months, 2 months or something because I really spam them. Basically, these are customized serums. My customized serum usually includes hyaluronic acid as well as ceramide to kind of repair and hydrate my sensitive skin. It's one of the only brands I know that will not trigger my eczema because the founder herself created this brand because she has eczema. So I am super rest assured, and so far it has done like amazing wonders for my skin. It has helped to soothe down my eczema. It has helped to just hydrate my skin really deeply. I like love the skinning serums, and I've used 2. This is the soy face cleanser from Fresh. You guys know how much I love this. This is the small 50 ml one, which I finished. I love this, and I will highly recommend you guys to try it, especially if you have dry skin or if you have oily skin. Honestly, like all skin types would be suitable for this, but if you have dry skin, you would love this because it's very gentle. I usually use it in the day when I just want to quickly wash my face without hurting it too much and without going in with something too harsh. This is a really good one for you. I have here with me these 2 products from Minon, Amino Moist. If you guys watch my video on them, you would know how much I love them. They are a really good brand, especially if you have skin problems. Once again, eczema. You would love this brand because it just really helps to build up your skin barrier and make your skin a lot more healthy. It hydrates, it has no scent, it's fast absorbing, and it's not oily. This is the moisturizer, the Moist Charge Milk, and this is the toner, which is the Moist Charge Lotion. Highly recommend them, and I love them to bits. My Fancl Active Conditioning Lotion too. This goes without saying. I highly recommend it. This is the Active Conditioning Lotion, which is not like the usual moisturizing lotion that I use, because I got this from the Japanese drugstore. So for those of you that think that Fancl is so much cheaper in Japan because you can find them in the Japanese drugstore, please look closely because they're actually not the same. Like the ones that you get at a Fancl counter, it's under a different name, but this one is the Active Conditioning Lotion and it's from the Japanese drugstore. It's slightly cheaper, but at the same time it's also less effective. Do take note of that. This is the one that I got from the drugstore, and I finished using it because I just generally love Fancl. No doubt I would still go back to the one that you can get from the counters because it's more effective and more hydrating. But if you think that your skin doesn't need that much hydration and you're looking for a really good skincare brand that has no preservatives, look for Fancl. Okay, this is my Shiseido Perfect UV Protector SPF 50 plus PA4 pluses. I'm using another one, like a new bottle, so I already repurchased it. I love this sunblock because it is very good under makeup. It's very cooling on your skin, it lasts really long, and I haven't had like a single sunburn since I've been using it, so I highly recommend it. This is the SK2 Genoptics Aura Essence. This is also a serum that I talked about before, and I highly recommend because it just gives you that really crystal clear radiant skin. It has like a dropper like this. It just makes my skin look really like bright and glowy, and it helps to whiten it as well over time. That's why you see like my face is so much lighter than the rest of my body. That's when you know my whitening products on my face actually work. Last but not least, it is one of my favorite concealers of all time, and I finally finished my second bottle. I think I've been using this for about 1 year now, and I use it every single day, day and night, and sometimes I just like do my makeup like 2-3 times a day simply because of my work. So this is the SKII Stylenanda Waterful Concealer. You guys know how much I love this concealer. It is very lightweight, it is very thin, it dries very fast, but when it doesn't streak, it doesn't crease, and it really works very well at brightening your entire face, like your under eyes, so on and so forth. This doesn't work very well with like blemishes, so like your pimples and all. I would highly recommend you guys to use another concealer. But if you're looking for a brightening concealer, one that is very small and compact, good to go, this is very good. Alright, so that's it from my Empties video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and talk to me in the comments box down below. I'll leave everything in the description box below as usual, and I'll see you next time. Bye!